What's the meaning of crème de cacao? Crème de cacao. Crème de cacao.
Crème de cacao. Crème de cacao. Crème de cacao is a sweet liqueur made from cocoa beans. It is clear or brown in color and has a chocolate-like flavor with hints of vanilla and nuts. This liqueur is commonly used in cocktails and desserts, particularly in recipes that call for a chocolate or coffee flavor. Crème de cacao adds a rich sweetness to drinks like the Alexander and Grasshopper cocktails. When used in desserts such as chocolate mousse or truffles, it enhances the overall flavor and gives a smooth texture to the dish.